How to care for indoor plants. If you've ever had an indoor plant that's quickly withered and wilted, you might believe that you don't have a green thumb or you're not cut out for growing plants. Well, we're here to tell you that's not the case. The truth is that anyone can be a good plant owner, and it really isn't complicated, we promise. In this article, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to care for your indoor plants, from watering to sunlight requirements to fertilizer. Part 1: Providing your plants with consistent water. Step 1: Keep potting soil moist, but not wet. If your soil is either too dry or overwatered, it can damage the plant's roots and prevent the plant from growing. In some cases, under or overwatering your plant can also kill it. Plants with lush, thick leaves require more water than plants with waxy or leathery leaves. There is no specific frequency that works for all indoor plants. Instead, what you must do is determine what kind of plant you have, and follow guidelines on how often to water it by doing research on its specific type. If mold starts to form on the surface of the soil or there's standing water at the bottom of the container, you've overwatered your plant. Water your plant if the soil becomes lighter in color or cracked. Plants in the succulent family require periods of dryness between watering. If you notice standing water in or under the pot, empty it out, so that your plant is not sitting in it. Standing water can kill plants. Step 2: Stick your finger in the soil to determine how wet it is below the surface. If you poke your finger into the soil up to your knuckle, you can feel if your plant needs more water. If the soil feels damp, then you don't need to water it. Overwatering can lead to rotting of the root, which you need to fix. If it feels dry, then it's likely you need to water it. Again, this varies from plant to plant. These conditions will work for most plants, but not all of them. Signs of overhydration include discolored leaves, lack of leaf growth, loss of leaves, and soft rotten patches. Signs of dehydration include slow leaf growth, brown and dried leaf edges, and lower leaves becoming yellow and curled.